Have you ever felt this way? Staring at a pile of papers, the weight of another failure pressing down. It feels like you're stuck in a loop, doesn't it? Giving it your all, yet falling short time and time again. The world seems to keep moving forward while you're left behind, alone with your doubts. But let me tell you something. This moment, this feeling of being at rock bottom, is not the end. It's a turning point. Failure isn't a reflection of your worth. It's a test of your resilience. It's the universe asking, how badly do you want it? Every setback is a setup for a comeback. This is your chance to rewrite the story, to learn, to grow stronger, and to rise higher than you ever thought possible. Your journey is just beginning. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more inspiration.